but here I'm sure there won't be even a single. No, Seattle, eh? Seattle is like
I'm here with my homies. Yeah, even last time I was here, I had BlackBerry, GoPro 2. I don't know, the battery for the phones were like 2 hours, so imagine we're all the time saving battery.
BlackBerry, when did it come in the 90s?
8 years ago, man. Imagine. 8 years ago.
There is still some BlackBerry though.
Entero, tío, yo no quiero.
Yeah, but that shit.
Is it, huh?
But it used to be shit anyways, but the things that...
It was always shit.
Do you remember the global package? It was amazing. We were paying only 200 dirhams and it was unlimited data everywhere.
But it's just text, just the BB text.
And what happened?
BB died.
I think, yeah. And I think too many cabin crew using it, they were losing money with it.
No, but it was texting between BlackBerry messaging.
No, but even data. I was paying 240, no, bro.
Yeah, that's old school, bro.
Yeah, it was not super detailed websites.
Exactly. I remember I had a Nokia smartphone with a keyboard, like the old one.
Yeah. From Sana.
He's running through it like it's like...
The one in Buenos Aires is better.
Also the Lincoln Memorial, there.
Imagine that I've never been to Buenos Aires.
Oh man,
You should.
even now for the tourists, so cheap.
Like a proper city.
Oh yeah. The best like many places, but in Argentina it's still prime.
I can imagine. So cheap.
Yeah, yeah, you can have a proper barbecue for 4 people, and you will pay maybe $60 with everything, wine and everything.
Well,
In Buenos Aires.
Siga la vaca.
Nah, sigue la vaca shit, man.
Ah, come on, it's good, man.
It's good for
I mean, like, it's good
because
for
it's a budget, you know. But you can go to any tavern place in the city, and you will have amazing food, same price.
I remember there was one right
Sigue la
across the
vaca is
hotel,
in Puerto Madero, you know, it's a fancy area.
but it's nice. It's nice. There was one in right across from the hotel, and they had the lamps, you know, like on the
yes.
cross. That wasn't nice. That was expensive though. I think I went somewhere.
I think it's called El Establo, right?
Something like that, yeah. It's in here.
That from outside looks like a house, right? It has 2 floors.
I mean, it's a
Across
nice
the street.
building, yeah. It's
Yeah.
some nice. Different type of birds and nice.
Yeah, some people go there to
With the
study.
big camera,
Yeah.
bird watching.
Even some people go for drawing.
The shortest is the Uber or is there
I think it's the shortest.
Yeah.
These are 203.
But I think New York is 26 hours.
203. 203?
I think 26 hours.
Short.
This is 20, it's almost 23. This one.
Like 20. December vacation.
Yeah. Yeah, New York should be 30 hours minimum, always.
36 even.
How's Miami?
I never done it.
Nice.
I done Fort Lauderdale, I done Orlando, but
It's
I
50
haven't.
something.
50s. Why?
True. It's weird timing. It's the same like when.
They say they're gonna move us again from the city, right?
Oh, I hope not.
They say
Because
because
right now we're on
the,
South Beach on the first
they
time.
say yeah, the hotel is
The Cadillac Hotel.
perfect location,
Yeah,
right in
it's
the
one of
city.
the famous ones.
But now they say they're gonna move us from there. Probably
It's
expensive.
right. It's on the first line on the beach on South Beach.
Yeah, probably super expensive there.
It is expensive. But these hotels, they're getting run down, they're getting old, so the price is
yeah.
kind of going down. They're not the fancy ones like they used to be.
The
They're still
biggest
big.
skyscrapers.
Most of the hotels, they're connected with like cars and whatever. So I'm surprised we're staying there. It's kind of a party place.
Did you watch the series? What was the name? Versace. No. It's all about being.
No, but I've seen the Versace's house. You know, I passed by, there was a party, and there was two guys.
It's over there.
And there was two guys with the, like security with the list,
Yeah.
the VIP list. There was a party during the day going on. But I went during the Ultra,
Miami is wild, eh?
the Ultra Festival. It was in 2005, 6.
Oh. When Ultra was.
There were most people from Georgia, Alabama.
Hot, huh? Getting hot.
It's warm.
In Argentina, everybody will be already in the water. They will like.
In Argentina, it won't be working the fountain, bro. Let me tell you.
They will be
For like 10 years.
Because they stole the
One will be
they
one
stole the
side.
copper from the. They even have so many things here. Yeah.
No, man, out of the founding fathers, there's like 52 or whatever, 50 of them were made high level at the high level. All of them.
¿Dónde es la Casa Blanca? Ah, ¿fondo?
Sí, creo.
¿Qué es el fondo? Es
No, eso es
El Capitolio.
Here's where the aliens land. Oh,
El Republican aliens.
they always land on the Capitol Hill.
Yeah, in the movies.
Is the
always.
Congress in Capitol Hill? Is this where he was doing the So
Demonstration.
this is where he was. No. The press conference was there, I think.
Ah,
Because that's where the Congress is, no? In the Capitol.
yeah. But even was with the day like the pro Trump people
Yeah.
to cover.
How are they called again?
Trumpists.
No, there's a name.
Is the name for them?
Ion, Ason, like the shaman. They were talking about this, whatever shaman. Remember the shaman guy? The guy with the horns and whatever?
Ah, yes.
And what he was the something shaman. From this something, this Aeon or whatever they call it,
Yeah.
this is the group which are pro-Trump supporters.
Man, this in this grass will be amazing to play football. Will be amazing.
It's a little bit worn out.
No, here,
It's fresh.
wet.
It's a little bit surreal for me, guys, to be here after seeing it so many times.
Yeah, maybe that's when I'm in the famous city. I'm always remember movies.
Show me the copper.
Especially a car chase,
Yeah.
you know, or someone escaping from the police. Always like, oh yeah, in that movie.
So for example, let's say when the Statue of Liberty or Times Square when I see it. Okay. But this is very like a movie moment.
Yeah. How many times they show this in the movie?
Like that. Oh, I'm really happy that like first thing you said was this, and this is exactly the first thing I told my wife when I said this. I was like, I'm fucking going to the. No, actually, even already I told her when I started my reserve.
Yeah.
100% I'll get pulled out for a Washington because that's the flight everybody calls sick for. At least I'm gonna go finally see the White House in the Capitol.
Yeah.
I fucking cold it, bro.
Yeah, for me I was like, wanna go back. I don't
So
like
when you said it, I was like, shit. I had planned to do it, and you said it. I was like,
I don't like New York. You know, I do New York all the time, and I don't find anything good about New York.
nah, New York is amazing, but the flight is
Trash, man. The city's trash.
To be honest with you,
You don't have
not
this
as
in
bad
New
as-
York.
no, this is the nicest. That's not
You don't have a fresh air, this super open area, culture, you know.
But no. Everywhere else, they're very like liberal and whatever, and homeless. But here they keep it clean for themselves, you know.
It's the capital.
Here they keep it good for Joe, you know.
Yeah.
And there's the White House.
Yeah. Can you smell for one picture? You know what I'm saying? God damn it.
Gosh darn it, sorry. Gosh darn it.
I told you, John.
I imagine it's like the normal obelisk, like the one in
Well, the one in Mercedes is not super shorter than this.
No, but
This
it's a
one,
lot
this
smaller.
one
It's half.
is this one is
half.
way thicker.
Yeah, exactly.
And the one in Argentina is skinny. It didn't have enough food our obelisk.
Starving.
They didn't have enough brick to finish it, you know.
Third world.
Third world obelisk. It's like what you order in Amazon,
What you get?
what you get in wish.com, you know.
What you order? No, yeah, on
AliExpress.
Had to modify the initial plan.
We should get something. I'm always saying like the government of Buenos Aires, they should put money to build something different, you know. It cannot be like this is the only thing we have in Buenos Aires.
What money? What money?
I don't know, it's just a private company. It's like, yeah, you can build it in the center of the city, but do
Burj
something.
Khalifa. You get some Saudi.
Do something nice. Yeah,
Saudi investor.
it doesn't matter. Saudi, Qatar,
problem.
anyone.
Come, give us money, no problem.
You have money, build something nice so the tourists will come. We will give you the rights for 20 years. Yeah, but they don't even think about it.
All big bills, isn't it?
You can go back.
Oh, 50.
I don't know.
You can go up.
$60.
Isn't here on the Spider-Man movie?
Spider-Man, right?
Yes.
Maybe. I don't remember.
Yeah, when they got stuck on the elevator.
The old one or the new one? The kid.
Three planes.
No, here is the US. Here you just look at her and go straight to there.
God, the grass is perfect. Look at this.
Like a stadium.
You can play. Well, Americans will be like
Man, they are
baseball,
finishing this one as well.
basketball. Every time I'm coming here, it's anticipation of Mexico.
It's the lesson.
It's like the series with Kiefer Sutherland, 24, right? Like he's nobody, but then everybody dies, and he becomes the president. Did you watch it?
No, I remember it, but is that what happens in the end?
No, at the beginning. They put a bomb in the Capitol, and everybody dies. And
So he's the lowest one. He's like the janitor.
he's like a secretary of the secretary, but he's the one And everybody's like, no, but this guy cannot be the president. But it's like the Constitution says he should be the president.
He's the next in command.
Yeah,
Like the CSA becomes the person.
pretty
Same
much.
thing.
And it wouldn't be that bad.
If everybody, if all of us that, the most senior grade 2 becomes the person, becomes the captain. Sorry.
Imagine that would be that one. Yeah.
This is the same, like this series. Chain of command. I joined. It's my 5th operation now, guys.
La de Grey one today, she was scared to work in business class.
This is her first time.
Can they work with
How are they called?
podríamos verles de ella ver.
The set of what take
boletos, a ver.
recently. Mentioned.
Yeah.
Solo que Isa no está padre.
The set? No,
Habría que ver que no está
There's a word for it.
Singapur.
No, not the workout. The what he takes, like with steroids. He's
Pero bueno, esperemos ver.
no, we call it no, but what you take, like how you take it and whatever, it's in a certain like we call it sistema, like system. But you know what I mean? How
the
you take
cycles.
their cycle.
Yeah.
He releases the cycles.
He was a
He talks
monster.
about it.
Buscando más o menos, dependiendo de la fecha.
But you know the thing is like the old rock stars, they used to take the pure shit. That's why Mick Jagger they're still alive because they used to take the pure stuff.
Also, you know,
Pure
I'm,
cocaine,
I'm
pure
sure
heroin.
how many doctors they have to go to.
I know, and of
Pure
course
life.
they get the best people to clean them, you know?
Exactly.
It's just like, okay, come here, it's like going to the service for a car. We change
More
you,
like that. Change your blood.
Mick Jagger, he used to change the blood.
Exactly. Let's change your blood. Let's get this thin infants. Yes, we drink
It's
them.
like,
and we get
it's like changing oil, you know, for the car.
They literally the whole transfusion. Like they do in for the cancer patients. Like the whole
Even
I cannot.
the bone marrow as well, some people, they get that and they get younger.
Transfusion. Dialysis.
Yeah. If you have money and you care about living longer, yeah.
And now it's all about those things that you take. Drips. How are they called?
Yes.
Those things.
There's some multi-millionaire now.
Everybody, even in Dubai, you have them. You have a hangover, you have a tough night, you go and you take a
Yeah.
drip. You feel better.
Yeah, this YouTuber Jesse James, he did it that was just injecting this multivitamin but straight to the veins.
Drip, yeah?
Yeah.
How are
Did
these
it
things
work?
called?
Huh?
Did it work?
He said he was feeling very pumped, but he said he was doing it for the YouTube, you know. He said I wouldn't do it every day because he had to go every morning and it's not natural, you know. If you put anything inside your body, it's
IVs.
yeah, it's not natural, right? How we swim across?
I say we...
¿El caballo de la noche en el museo o no? No es aquí, no, es en Nueva York.
No, it's there. It's aquí, es eso, es Smithsonian.
Yeah, the Smithsonian.
Yeah. Pero es este.